So today I find myself at the Marriott, Ditton, Windsor, Heathrow, I think something like that. I'll have to update it in the comments, but this is room 2130. It's an executive room. So when you walk in, there's a light switch right here that controls the front hall light, and then the coffee bar light. So there's a little coffee and tea bar. Actually, I guess just tea because we are in the UK. And then a refrigerator underneath, and then a full-length mirror and a closet with robe, slippers, a safe, and ironing board iron. Then we go in to the bathroom, and there is kind of a cute little setup in the bathroom here, and a big tub, like most European hotels, a very tall tub, and shower. And the products are not typical Marriott products. They're a little different, I guess. Cotton balls and Q-tips. And then we'll move out to the main room. So there is a trouser press on the wall here. And then suitcase holder. This room does have a king bed, and looks like there is no top sheet and just a very, very thin blanket. So TV, drawers, I guess. Desk. The desk does have plugs at the desk. Oh, look at that. There's an American, a US outlet as well. And I guess there's a hairdryer in this drawer that is attached here, so you have to dry your hair at the desk instead of in the bathroom. That's a little odd. And then coming back around, there is that's a light switch to the room. That's convenient. You can turn off the room lights from right next to the bed, but there is not an outlet next to the bed. Then we've got two little club chairs, table, and what is the view back here? Now I'm just kind of out by the airport, so yeah, it's basically just a freeway. It looks as if this door may open. Oh, it does. So you can get a little fresh air from this sliding door. So this is the room 2130 at the Marriott in Heathrow, Windsor.